Alright guys, we are gonna have Emily train on the mower. So, you never been on these, the zero turn?
Not like this, no.
Okay.
I have never driven a mower with handles like this.
Okay. Yep, and then pull that out. Okay, raise it up. Should come up. Okay. Yeah, put those pins back in. Safety first. Guys, so today is Emily's first day, you guys, on the learning how to ride the zero turn mower, the Bobcat mower to be exact. So we're gonna train her on that, get her used to it before the season kicks in here. So yeah. Okay, so what you'll do is put these two arms together, okay?
Do it?
Not yet. Put the
Okay.
brake. Put the brake first down. Put the brake down, okay? And every time that you want to stop, this has to come back to the middle when you put it down. Don't pull
What do
it
you
back.
mean?
Like right
Come
now
back to
where
the middle.
right now where it's at right here,
Yeah?
when you bring it forward, it should move.
Oh, okay.
So
okay.
you always have to come back to that normal position in order for that not to go. So go ahead, put it together. Okay. See that?
Yeah.
Okay. And just say
So then to stop, you just spread them
to
apart?
stop, just back up a little bit. Right there.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay.
Go forward, yep. Go slow, yep, take your time, learn that.
So then,
Turn up the throttle a little bit.
like,
Left and
Okay,
right.
okay.
Turn up the throttle.
which is...
Right on the side there. Where the rabbit's
Okay,
at.
yep.
Turn it up.
High or there?
Middle. Yep. Go slow, don't go fast. Yep, go ahead, reverse. Practice is going backwards, yeah. When you go backwards, you can spin like a turn, like that.
Okay.
But you never want to do that sharp of a turn on
When the blade's going?
when the blade's going and on the gas.
Okay.
And you guys, she is learning on the Predator Pro, Bobcat Predator Pro. It's my older one, older model. But once she gets the hang of this one, you guys, I'm going to train her on the Quick Cat to stand on mowers. Yeah, you can go like this, yep. Alright guys, so she is learning the controllers right now. Once she gets the hang of the controllers and how they operate, we will teach her the technique and how to properly mow property. There's a way of doing it. It's not just mowing and getting it cut in order for it to look right, look good. So turn up your throttle a little bit. Throttle's right here. Always right there.
Oh,
All right, guys, we're gonna go out to a farm site that has a lot of grass, and we're gonna go practice on there. Since she's familiar with the controllers a little bit, we're gonna have her run some real grass.
I picked up on this one quicker, but I had just driven that.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. What? You gonna ride that one up? I'll ride this one. Can you go that way?
This way?
Yep, go that way.
So I gotta like tip over on or anything.
Just be careful, don't go fast.
Okay, I haven't turned this on, so have this
Yep,
down.
put that down. Crank, yep. And then transport. Yep. Alright guys, we're gonna go cut some real grass. We're gonna load it onto the trailer. So. Alright guys, so we are out here on an acreage. We got some testing grounds there and testing ground there. So we're gonna have Emily practice on there. We're gonna actually drop the blades and actually cut too. Okay. Which one you want to run?
What do you want me to do first?
Okay. I'm gonna have you back this one up.
Okay.
Yeah, slowly. Come, slowly. Yep, down the way. There you go. Okay. Come over here. Yeah, do that when you have that. Straighten it out and go back.
Yeah, I came back and it was like, so yeah, I just didn't worry about that. Made it straight.
Looks good.
I got a lot of work to do though.
That's good. Alright, let's load her up.
Okay.
Good. Alright guys, so we are done for today. Yep. Guys, we're gonna load up, go back, call it a day, and yeah, that's it, you know. practicing.
Just pull it straight forward.
Yep, pull it straight forward. Cranker on.
I didn't shut this.
Be good. What you think? This one's more, once you get used to this one, I think this one's more fun to operate than that one.
Okay.
Everybody,
I was worried about like turning around, but I don't think that's my problem. Keeping a straight line is my problem.
no, you'll get it. The battery
I
ran
liked
out.
it. Dare I say that I liked it? Ask me again during the song.
Yeah, everybody likes, for some reason, likes to stand up instead of sitting mowing.